Hello my friends, today I show some old PC with maybe less good components, but it's working in 2025 year. Let's show. Motherboard is ASRock Q1090M with integrated CPU, Intel Celeron J1900M. Okay. 4 GB DDR3 RAM memory. Graphic card is R5 230. It's whole graphic card, but this graphic card has some HDMI ports, VGA ports and DVI ports. Motherboard have some simple connectors for audio, for LAN, for USB ports, HDMI, DVI, VGA and mouse and keyboard. The PCU is cheap, but it's working. Reno RX 500PA, 500 watts. Okay, let's show some upgrade. SSD Patriot P210 and HDD with cavier blue 160 gigabits, and standard for old PC DVD RV drive. This simple metal cases for PC is changed to upgrade this PC, not buy new with plexiglass and other parts. This PC working on 4 GB only, Windows 10 operating system. Okay, and it's working. I plan to upgrade this PC to 16 gigabytes, SSD more gigabyte, PSU 500 watts, but with bronze certificate and better graphic card. Okay, subscribe, like and share this video.